Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back finally to another edition of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, I know I've been out of pocket for a couple of weeks, okay? Had to go and get the old shoulder repaired, okay? Had a little shoulder surgery, so I've been out of circulation for about 2 weeks now. So, as you can see, I'm still in the sling. Doctor said I can take my arm out the sling to do some limited stuff. I'll be heading back to work tomorrow, but I have to get another video out to you guys, okay? I really miss cooking, really miss being on the barbecue, the grill, the smoker, the whole 9 yards. Being cooped up in this house for the last 2 weeks with one arm and not being able to drink, smoke, or anything because I was on pain medication was a real pain in the you know what, okay? But I'm almost back now. I gotta wear this sling like for another 3 weeks, but like I said, I have limited allowed to do limited motions, movement, and usage of this arm here. And I start physical therapy in about 3 weeks. So, but enough of that. I'm going to go ahead and get this video underway. So anyway, for my first video back from surgery, we're going to be using the pit barrel cooker outside. Okay, I'm not going to be hanging meat on it today. I'm going to be just using the rack. And what we're going to be using cooking, we're going to be cooking this here. This is a 1.5 pound beef sirloin tri-tip roast, okay? So it's only about 1.5 pounds, it's not that big. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be seasoning it up with some rub that the folks at Oakridge BBQ sent me like a couple of months ago, and I haven't had an opportunity to do a video on this stuff here. But this particular rub here is the Smokey Chile lime. It's an all-purpose rub, and it's supposed to go good on fish, seafood, vegetables, beef, pork, or what have you. So we're going to throw it on this beef here, and we're going to see how it tastes, okay? Simple preparation. We're going to be using some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, as our binder. We're going to be dusting this down with our rub, and then we're going to be monitoring our tri-tip with the Meteor Plus thermometer probe. You guys saw me do a review on that not too long ago, okay? So, hey, sit back, relax, watch us do this quick prep work, watch us do the cook, and we'll get to the taste test, and we'll see how this Oakridge BBQ Smoky Chili Lime Rub works out. So, hey, don't go nowhere.
Sun to shine.
All right, guys, so you saw us slice it up. You saw it came out medium rare, perfection. Smells smoky, smells fantastic, really juicy from us wrapping it in the foil and letting it sit for 20 to 30 minutes in the thermos or the cooler, little cooler that I have. And so all it is left now is for the taste test, okay? So it smells really smoky. Then we used cherry wood. Oh, these pieces are stuck together. There we go. So we use cherry wood, so it's got a nice red color to it. Like I said, it smells smoke, smells good. That PVC is good for putting smoke on food, okay? Now let's see how this, what it's called Oakridge BBQ Smoky Chili Lime Rub tastes like. Okay? Man, this is a great rub. I can taste the citrus from the lime in this rub here. It's got no heat to it, but I don't know if it enhances the smokiness of the tri-tip, but man, it tastes really, really good. It's not overly salty at all. It's perfect combination. Man, this is some good rub. So I want to thank the guys from Oakridge BBQ for sending us out this. They sent us a ton of stuff. So we're going to be doing some videos on all their rubs throughout the summer and the fall. But this was fantastic. We cooked this up to, we took it all, pulled it off the smoker at 127, 128 degrees internal. And then, of course, it was going to keep climbing, wrapped up in foil and in the cooler, okay? So we probably hit about 130, between 130 and 132 before we sliced it. So, man, this tastes good. I can sit here and eat this whole thing. Wow, this is really good. So, well, that's all we have time for today. First of all, hey, if you're interested in a PBC, man, the pit barrel cooker, man, it's a fantastic smoker, fantastic product. It has not done me wrong since I've had it, man. Check out the folks at Pit Barrel Cooker. I'll put a link in the description down in the description block and all their contact information, okay? Also, if you're interested, the Meteor Plus wireless thermometer performed very well today. And I did a review on that a few weeks ago, so check that out. I'll put the contact information for those folks at Meteor Plus if you're interested in getting one of those. And finally, I want to thank the guys again from Oakridge BBQ. They sent me a big box of rubs and injections and stuff, and I'm definitely interested in exploring all these. But this smoky chili lime rub is fantastic. I'm definitely going to be using this on more than just beef, okay? Well, that's all we have time for today. Like I say, I'm glad to be back and be able to at least do some cooking videos and going on. Be glad when my arm is back to 100%. But hey, we'll do it as we can, okay? Hey, you know, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.